You, John? How you doing, John?
Good, bro. How are you?
So while you're here, John, you want to give me a story of how this happened?
No, yesterday morning when I was coming here at around 7:30,
Yeah.
it was fine.
Mm-hmm.
But when I came and worked for an hour, some customer said you have a flat.
Okay.
Then we tried to remove the nuts.
Yep.
Then one of them broke and the other one broke too.
Okay. Yep, that one broke too. For about that time. Stuck. Okay. I'll be right back. Time to bring out Big Mammoth. It's a little stuck on there.
Icy.
Tough from the back. So watch your feet. She's good. Got one. Okay. It just comes off. There we go. Pull it yet? Still a little stuck. Get there. Still stuck. There we go. Yeah, good deal. It's so far not terrible, I'm not gonna lie. Could have been a lot worse. Alright, sir, so I'm gonna have to go back to the store.
Okay.
Just because when I was tight, so remember I was tightening the studs to bringing them in. So I was using these new nuts, and as I'm putting these new ones, it's putting more pressure, squeezing it in. So these ended up kind of going bad. Hello, sir. Just be careful being by here just in case it falls. It's always safe to keep your distance.